In this video, you will find out how I made almost 2 grand in less than an hour just by trading memecoins on Solana. I will show you how I made it, how everything works, and what you should consider to doing this type of things. Before we will start, don't forget about subscribe and like button. And let's start. For the past 2 weeks on the memecoins market happened lots of things. And when I'm saying things, I mean there is literally market is booming. Almost $10 billion volume for the past 24 hours by the DEX screener statistics. This just insane. And we cannot skip this huge opportunity to earn at least couple grands. But the question is, how to do it? And my answer is sniper bots. Sniper bots. For me, this is real game changer. And this is how I made my first money on memecoins. So you can open any sniper bots which you can find on the internet. The most popular are BonkBot, Nova, Trojan, and Snipe. I will use Snipe. Open the bot, click Start, and message appears here. Below you can see the Start Trading button. Click on it. Now you can see that for this function, we should first deposit some to the bot. Choose coin which you want to top up, and send to this address any amount of tokens you want to use in trading memecoins. Personally me, I will play with 5 Solana. After you sent the tokens to the bot, click I paid button. And after that, we are waiting up to 30 minutes when the bot will process your transaction. After a couple minutes, my Solana came, and now we can use the bot to the maximum. Go back by clicking Start, and here hit the Turn On button. Sniping process just started. And now, you can see your progress at any time by using /start. To not going into big risk, let's wait few minutes and see the results. I'm suggesting waiting maximum 30 or 60 minutes. 34 minutes passed. Let's see my results. Wow, 9 Solana. My balance is now. That's just insane. When you see this type of results from the bot, don't play with it. Immediately withdraw the balance to your wallet. To do this, hit the wallet button. Click on the withdraw, choose the blockchain and paste receiving address here. After this, you can wait up to 30 minutes when your Solanas will come. The results from this bot can be every time different, but the system of working is the same. Bot are finding and analyzing the market by the special system, which builds the profit and risk percentage and decides to buy the coin or not. Just for you to know, sniper bots buying meme coins by the DEX platforms, such as PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Radium, and etc. Sniper bots, working by the special algorithm which analyze the market, finds the best coins in the early stages, and buy it for you automatically. This is quite easy, but in the same time risky business, and you should consider that. After a few minutes, my 9 Solanas came to my wallet, and now we can officially make the conclusion for this video. From 5 Solana, my sniper bot made 9, which now I can use in any way I want. I hope, guys, this video was helpful for you. If it's so, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thanks for watching and see you later.